Let's take a look at some of Teams' virtual web conferencing features. Currently, it's muted. To see your tools, just scroll over the bottom with your mouse and this will appear. You can turn on your camera here when you're talking, turn on your microphone here when you're talking. There's a clock that is running. You could also do some chatting with students and share content here with the file upload to your group. You can see the participants who all is currently in the meeting and who all is invited to join. You can also invite someone else. You can record the meeting by clicking on this button and clicking Start Recording. And it says after this meeting, you can find this recording in the channel conversation or on Microsoft Stream. And that's a good thing to point out, that once you stop recording or you leave the session, the video will process and will automatically go to your Microsoft Stream account. And you can share that link from Stream to your students in your course or via email or announcement, or you can download the video file and share it that way through YouTube or some other video sharing app. To share your screen, you can simply click on this button and you can upload a PowerPoint directly into Teams. So here's my PowerPoint, and you can prevent your students from moving through on their own by clicking on that button so that they move through it. When you move through it, you have control here. So you can go through the PowerPoint. You can also just share your desktop and pull your PowerPoint up on your desktop. If you have a touchscreen device and a pen, touchscreen pen, you can annotate and draw on your pages. To share your screen, click Share Screen button here, choose Desktop, and then if you have multiple screens, it usually gives you the option to choose. It defaulted to my first screen. And then whatever is on this screen is what will be presented to your class. So if you wanted to pull up a Word document, so right now this is what everyone in the Teams meeting would see, which is this Word document. And again, if you have a pen and a touchscreen device, you can go through and annotate and write and share those types of things with your students. To stop the recording, you can either hang up or click on this button and stop recording. Stop recording. After the meeting, you can find the recording in your channel conversation or Microsoft Stream. Got it. So to show you Stream, let's go to Stream. This is again in my Gem Outlook 365. If you click on your apps launcher and go to all apps, you'll find Stream. It automatically will go to that team room. So your students will automatically be able to access it. But if you want to get the link and put it in your course, your Canvas course, you go to My Content, Videos. And there you can see this one's being processed. The one I just did. By default, it is private. And so to share it, you can download it here as an MP4, or you can edit it here. And you can share it with your groups. You would select them here, or you can choose your channels that you want to do, or people and add the people, or you can do everyone. No matter what you choose, hit apply. And these channels are actually channels related to your stream account. So you would usually choose people and specific people by adding them, or just to allow everyone and hit apply. And then once you do that, you can click on share, and here's the link, and you can also get an embed code.